Good morning to all. Today we will see the next theorem. That theorem is under conformal transformation, a uniform line source maps into another uniform line source of the same strength. I will see the proof of this theorem. Let there be a uniform line source of a strength m per unit length through the point z is equal to z0, and suppose that the conformal transformation t is equal to g of z is made from the z to the t plane, so that the point z is equal to z0 maps into the point t is equal to t0. Let this c be the closed curve in the z plane containing the point z is equal to z0, and suppose this c maps in the t plane, and then t is equal to t0 lies within the c dash. The complex potential W is the same for both systems and has the form W is equal to phi plus I psi for Z plane, and this W is equal to phi dash plus I psi dash for T plane, and therefore phi is equal to phi dash and psi is equal to psi dash. Since psi is the same at corresponding points of curve C dash, and therefore integration over closed curve C d psi is equal to integration over closed curve C dash is d psi dash. Suppose this is number 1. Now the Z plane, in the Z plane, W is equal to minus m log Z minus Z0. So differentiate this with respect to Z. So we get dw by dz is equal to minus m upon z minus z0. So what we get? We get dw is equal to minus m upon z minus z0 into dz, and therefore integration of a closed curve C dw is equal to minus m integration over closed curve C dz upon z minus z0 is equal to minus m into 2 pi I, and since the integrand has a residue of 1 at z is equal to z0, but dw is equal to d phi plus I d psi, and so that equating the imaginary parts, equating the imaginary parts, what we get? We get integration over closed curve C d psi is equal to minus 2 pi m. Suppose this is secant. The numerical value of this is the volume of fluid crossing unit thickness of curve C per unit time, and therefore equation first and second shows that the same volume crosses unit thickness of C dash per unit time, which implies an equal line source of strength M per unit length through T is equal to T0. Hence the result. We proved this theorem. The result. Now we will see the theorem second. Statement of theorem second is, under conformal transformation, a uniform line vortex maps into another uniform line vortex of the same strength. Now we will see the proof of this theorem. Let there be a uniform line vortex of strength K per unit length through Z is equal to Z0, and suppose the conformal transformation T is equal to G of Z is made from the Z plane to the T plane, so that the point Z is equal to Z0 maps into T is equal to T0, and let this C be the closed curve containing Z is equal to Z0, and this C dash be its map in the T plane, then C dash contains T is equal to T0. The complex potential is the same for both systems and has the forms W is equal to phi plus I psi for Z plane, and which is equal to phi dash plus I psi dash for T plane, and thus therefore phi is equal to phi dash and psi is equal to psi dash, since psi is the same at corresponding points of curve C to C dash, C and C dash. Now integration over closed curve C, integration over closed curve C d phi, integration over closed curve C d phi is equal to integration over closed curve C d phi dash. Suppose this is number 1. Now in the Z plane, the complex potential is W is equal to Ik upon 2 pi into log of Z minus Z0, and therefore differentiate this with respect to Z. So dW by dz is equal to, what we get? We get Ik upon 2 pi as it is into derivative of log Z minus Z1 is 1 upon Z minus Z0. Derivative of log Z minus Z0 is 1 upon Z minus Z0. So this can be written as dW is equal to ik upon 2 pi z minus z0 into dz. Now integration over closed curve C dw can be written as ik upon 2 pi integration over closed curve C dz upon z minus z0, which is equal to ik upon 2 pi, and we know that integration over closed curve dz by z minus z0 is 2 pi I, so into 2 pi I. So this 2 pi will be cancelled. I into I is I square, k, I square is minus 1, minus 1 into k is minus k. Now equating the real parts, what we get? After equating the real parts, we get minus integration over closed curve C d phi is equal to k. Suppose this is secant. The integral on LHS is a circulation round C. Now equating the equation first and second shows that the circulation round C dash is also k. Thus, on account of the arbitrariness to C, C dash, the line source through Z is equal to Z0 of strength k per unit length maps into the equal line source through T is equal to T0. Hence, we have proved this theorem also. Proof is complete. Now we'll see the next article. That article is Kármán vertex street. Kármán vertex street. Suppose we have two parallel rows, each containing an infinite number of line vertices arranged as follows. The first row contains the line vertices of strength k at the points having Cartesian coordinates NA 1 by 2b, where n is equal to 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 and so and so. The second row consists of the line vertices of strength minus k at points 1 by 2 into 2n plus 1a bar minus 1 by 2b. Here again n is equal to 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 and so on. Such an arrangement is called a Kármán vertex street. The complex velocity potential may be found either from first principles or by using the result obtained for a single row. It is found to be W is equal to ik upon 2 pi log sin pi a in bracket z minus ib upon 2 minus ik 2 pi log sin pi by a into z minus a by 2 plus ib upon 2. Neither row includes velocity in itself. The velocity of the vertex at z is equal to 1 by 2a minus 1 by 2 ib is given by minus u plus iv is equal to ik upon 2 pi d by dz log of sin pi by a into z minus ib upon 2 into at the base a minus ib upon 2, and that is equal to minus k upon 2a hyperbolic tan pi b upon e. And similarly we can show that any other vertex in the same row moves with the same velocity. This means that the entire lower row advances in the positive x direction with velocity k upon 2a hyperbolic tan pi b upon a. The entire upper row can be shown to advance with the same velocity so that the vertex configuration remains unaltered at all times. So uh, this article is also explained here, or this is also finished. Today we will stop here. Okay, thank you.